So we're going to start off our tour of Strana up at the castle. Just come down the little side street from the castle now, and at the top of the street that leads down to Strana main square. This is Malostranska náměstí, which is the main square in Strana. It's the hub of activity, really, I suppose you could say. The tram stop here, that way goes down to Anděl, Smíchov, and that way goes up to Davice and over the bridge to Old Town Square. And this is the very famous St Nicholas Church, built in two parts actually. The belfry was built after the other tower, and this is the dominant building in Malostranska. On Charles Bridge now, and if you look behind you can see the famous tower of Charles Bridge, and in the distance you should be able to see Prague Castle at the top of the hill. Just having a minute now at the little square, which is just down the steps from Charles Bridge over there, and we're going to check out Kampa Park next. So Prague is known as one of the greenest cities in Europe, and wherever you are in Prague you don't have to go far to find some greenery. And this is Kampa Park, which is just down from Charles Bridge, and it's also just on the bank of the river Vltava. So there you have it, Strana. So if you do come to Prague, make sure you don't make the mistake that I did. First time I came with a gang of lads on a kind of typical lads drinking weekend, and we actually didn't make it past the centre of Charles Bridge over to this side of the river. So yeah, don't make that mistake. Make sure you check out Strana. It's definitely worth it.